Hey friends, if channel surround sound is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to disable mono audio. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, select the sound option in the right pane. We have a switch for mono audio here, simply switch it off. The next solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And the last solution is to update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first set of drivers and update it. Right click on the second set of drivers and update it. Right click on the third driver and update it. And right click on all the drivers and update them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.